Are you looking for the ultimate power solution for your off-grid adventures or emergency preparedness? Join us as we dive into the best solar generators of 2024. From camping trips to blackout situations, these portable powerhouses have you covered. Let's find the perfect fit for your needs. Hit the subscribe button, give a thumbs up or down, and comment about which one is best for you. Okay, let's get started. Number 1. Jackery Solar Generator 2000 Pro. This is a top performer with rapid charging and impressive solar capabilities. It reaches a full charge in under 2 hours via AC power, about twice as fast as other large solar generators we tested. With the option to charge in just 2.5 hours using 6 solar panels, a setup costing over $6,000, it stands out with a maximum solar input of 1,400 watts, surpassing competitors. In our tests, the Jackery Explorer 2000 part of the generator uses about 86% of its 2,160 watt-hour capacity, which is average for the industry. The Jackery Solar Saga 200 panel offers a 24.3% efficiency rating and 200 watts capacity. The generator includes a clear display, weighs 17 pounds less than its nearest rival, and features various outlets and a light with multiple settings. It lacks wireless charging but remains the quickest, lightest, and easiest to use option in its class. Currently listed at over $2,000, it has a $700 instant savings coupon available. Number 2. Bluetti EB3A with PV200 solar panels. This solar generator stands out as the best small solar generator due to its rapid charging capabilities. It fully charges in just 81 minutes via wall power, 3 times faster than similarly sized models. Bluetti claims recharge times from solar are also significantly quicker than many competitors. The generator features an advanced display showing detailed power flow and output status, offering more information than typical smaller units. The Bluetti PV200 solar panel, with a 23.4% efficiency and 200 watt capacity, can recharge the EB3A in under 2 hours under optimal conditions. Combined with AC charging, the total input reaches 430 watts, allowing the generator to recharge in as little as 1.2 hours. In our tests, the EB3A demonstrated better battery efficiency compared to the Jackery Solar Generator 240, despite starting with a larger battery. Although it has a slightly higher base price, its superior display and powerful solar panel make it a strong choice. Number 3. Oupes 600-watt solar generator kit. The Oupes 600-watt solar generator kit offers excellent value, especially at its discounted price on Amazon. With a stated 595 watt-hour battery capacity and a 100-watt solar panel, it provides nearly 1 watt per dollar spent. Although our tests showed about 83% of that capacity is usable, typical for the industry, the generator still delivers strong performance. It features a user-friendly display and essential ports, including USB-A, USB-C, 12-volt car charger, and AC wall outlet. However, it charges slower compared to others, and its 100-watt solar panel has a 20% efficiency rating, which is slightly lower than competitors. It also supports only 1 panel at a time. Despite these limitations, its affordability makes it a solid choice for those seeking value. Number 4. EcoFlow Delta Mini. Update: out of stock. This solar generator stands out with its large 882 watt-hour battery and rapid charging capabilities, fully charging in just 97 minutes from a wall outlet, twice as fast as competitors. It supports up to 300 watts of solar input, with EcoFlow claiming a full charge in 3 to 6 hours using 320 watts of solar panels. The Delta Mini had an impressive 86% usable capacity, the highest in its midsize category. The 110-watt solar panels offer a solid 21% to 23% efficiency and are among the lightest for their size. The Delta Mini features 5 AC outlets, 2 USB-A ports, a USB-A fast charging port, a USB-C outlet, and a 12.6-volt car power outlet. Weighing 23.6 pounds, it's portable yet spacious. While the snug-fitting port covers are excellent for protection, they can be challenging to open. So, which solar generator reigns supreme in 2024? After careful consideration, the Jackery Solar Generator 2000 Pro takes the crown. Its impressive capacity, fast charging capabilities, and versatile features make it the top choice for those seeking reliable and efficient power on the go.